The world is changing and there are definitely a lot of challenges today in the industry. We're facing challenges in cost, in manufacturing, quality, delivery and cost. Independently on where you are, at the end of the day, it's all about productivity, cost and performance. My name is Christian Müller. I am the CSO and member of the board of the GROB Group. And GROB is a solution provider. We definitely, over the last 100 years, have supported the market not only with the CNC machine, but also with solutions on how to be efficient, how to add automation to your system, and how to put the best cutting tools in there. And with events like this today, we want to show to our customers the full ecosystem, from the machine, the tooling, the clamping, the simulation, that we can be a solution provider for our customers. GROB is one of the largest machine tool builders in the world. Today we have almost 10,000 employees which work for the company in different countries. We have established production facilities in Germany, in the US, in Brazil, Italy, China, and lately also in India. We're going to talk about that in a minute. GROB is in different industries: automotive industry, mold and die, medical, aerospace, from the machining up to the assembly industry. We service every type of complex environment in the manufacturing task. Why are we coming to India? India for us is a growing market. It's very important for the next 10 years. We feel that India will be part of the growth of a sustainable future for the next 10, 20, 30 years. We have now a production plant in Bengaluru and we want, being here, produce in India, be part of that growth.